For today's video, you are going to need a canvas. This is 16 by 20 inches. I have some paint pour here. This is Opal. I got it from my local Michael's. It's already mixed with some pouring medium, so you just have to use the paint by themselves. You also need a container to put your medium in, or your paint pours. And then for a little bit of texture, I saw these at the dollar store. I wanted to try these little opal or transparent ones. We'll see how it goes. So I really wanted this video to be a very easy beginner level. So to start off, I'm going to take my darkest blue here, which is my winter. I'm going to separate the bottle. So I'll put half of the bottle in one cup and half in another cup. You don't need 2 cups. I'm only using 2 cups because my canvas is a little bit bigger. If you have a smaller canvas, just go with 1 cup, and it's okay to be free with the measurements because the paint pour will just go all over. Then I'm going to go in with my mint, and I'm doing the same thing here. I'm going to pour half of the mint in each of the cup. The reason I'm using so much blue is because I love the color blue. So I want a lot of blue in there. But you have to follow your heart and put a lot of whichever color you desire. And now I'm going to go in with this lace. Oh gosh, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I think it's Dentelle. So for the lace Dentelle, I put about 1/4 of the bottle in each. So in total, I used half of the whole bottle. Now here is a Peony Pivoine. I hope I said that right. I'm going to add a little bit, again, about 1/4 of that bottle because I didn't want too much pink in mine, but follow your heart. I'm going to use this empty container to put underneath my canvas so that if any paint falls, it can just fall on the little garbage bag I have. So I'm going to take my cups with the paint in them, and I'm just going to turn them over. Yeah. My canvas almost fell, but I'm going to turn them over and then take them off. And here's the really fun part is you're just going to slightly tilt your canvas in any direction until you get a desired effect or until your whole canvas is covered. The fun with paint pouring is that it is an abstract technique. I totally believe it's art because it really inspires your creative edge to play around with these colors. Additionally, if you had a blowtorch or a little flame, you could go over the paint pours and create these cells which help the different colors to pop out. Or you could play around with the colors and use a blow dryer and blow the colors in different directions and make really nice abstract shapes. Now, this is supposed to be a beginner-friendly video, so I am just going to take it easy for this video. Now, I did have these little clumps in my painting. I don't know where they came from, so I'm going to pick them out, but I guess just look out and make sure that your cups are completely empty. I did reuse some of my cups, so maybe that's where they came from. So make sure that your containers are completely empty and you'll get a good paint pour. So here is what I ended up with. I was kind of okay with my results because I am going to go over this painting in another video, and we're going to add a textured feather over it made with plaster. I think it's called bas relief, but I'm going to use some plaster and create a feather to go over it, so I'm okay with the background, but feel free to edit your painting as you want. I am going to go ahead and add these little glitter thingies. I thought they were really cute. I ended up adding them mostly in the corners, and I added small amounts over the stretch of the canvas because I'm going to add something in the middle of the canvas in another video. So here are the finished results. I hope you like it.